John Glenn International Airport, Columbus, Ohio.
Dude, this one time,
There is a shuttle here. 3 to 5 minutes, nothing crazy.
there's no way.
You go to Concourse
5
B on
minutes
one car,
tops.
You go to Concourse B on one car.
Ticketing and gates on the second floor. Got all the kiosks, checking TSA, all here on the second floor. Still old-fashioned, so I'm getting the paper printout. Be sure to check your flight here. Got Concourse A and Concourse B on the other side of security there. Let's get going. Alright, right here by TSA. Greeted with a nice Chili's on Concourse A. And a bar. Continuing. See, this guy's been following me. He's waiting for me everywhere I go. There he is again. Wow, this is a great selection for an airport. That's awesome. See a Starbucks. They got all the gates. 8 through 7. Surely there's more than 7 gates. Maybe. Maybe not.
Hey, this is it?
If you need the bar, I think Chili's is the place.
Yeah, I think we are going back to that bar.
Got another bar here. Pizza place. It is lunchtime. And here we go. Down to the end of the track. The vending machines. Alright. Chili's it is.
See a tank.
So this corner.